Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be a quick fix on my STILLEN cold air scoop that is interfering with my Active Aero Shutters on my 2019 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to insert a video right here that shows the Active Aero Shutters working from the top of the stock air intake looking down. And as you can see, or you will see in a few seconds, there is a bar on each side of the motor. The motor is in the middle of the two shutters. You have a driver's side and a passenger side, and in the middle there's a motor, and as you can see those bars pop out, and that's what was hitting the STILLEN. There are two marks, one here and one right here on the STILLEN. So all I have to do is take my little Dremel tool and just put two little notches right there, and it's fixed. And then I'll put it back in, but I'm not going to do that one today. This is just a quick video to let some people know if they're having that problem. Just cut out those two little notches here, or you can cut out the whole thing right here if you want, but you don't need to cut 1/8 of an inch off of the whole entire STILLEN cold air scoop. Just two little notches right here. The blades might still touch these little support brackets right here, but it's fine because they're made out of rubber. And if you're concerned about when the shutters are closed, is this thing still going to be getting air? Yes, because there is no blades in this top part right here. So it's still getting fresh air from right there, and that's right where the scoop is. So that's it. Have a good day, and Sunday I might actually film the modification and the reinstallation of the STILLEN back into my truck. But that will be done with my 4K Sony camera. This is just my CAI Duraforce Ultra 5G cell phone. It's actually filmed in 16:9 4K, so we'll see how good it comes out. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Talk to you later.